Some holidays to look out for on April 15th. Firstly, it's National Laundry Day. While laundry might not be our favorite chore, the satisfaction of clean clothes is worth it. Take the chance to try a new detergent or softener for fresher results. And if you're already skilled in the art of laundry, share your expertise with a newbie. On April 15th, we also celebrate World Art Day, an occasion dedicated to promoting the development of art and encouraging people to take notice of the beauty that surrounds them. Whether it's a piece of music, the architecture of a building, or the vibrant graffiti in your city, let's take a moment to appreciate the diverse forms of artistic expression. Finally, it's Titanic Remembrance Day, a solemn occasion dedicated to honoring the victims and survivors of the tragic sinking of the ship. Consider visiting the Titanic Museum and watching movies or documentaries to reflect on the legacy of this iconic vessel. Thanks for watching. Check out other dates to discover more holidays that are on the horizon.
This is National Today.